On Tuesday, the College of Education hosted a lecture centering on teaching children with autism spectrum disorder.
The purpose of this is allowing the College of Education and the communities within the College of Education to bring in collaborative lecturers. So this was the first step for Troy to help our community realize that there are a variety of people in society, and we should talk about that and learn how to be appropriate with each of those people.
The lecture series is aimed at educating students about important topics and opportunities within their field.
So we're going to put one on each month and really look at bringing and featuring Troy alumni that are doing great things out within the world, how we're reaching out to advance discussions on topics that we feel our students need to learn more about.
Other students need to see where the career path through education can possibly lead, because as I started as a special ed teacher, I've had a lot of other interesting opportunities, and I think it was important for them to see that not only could they contribute as a teacher, but there are also endless possibilities.
Aside from showing future educators ways to diagnose and teach children that fall along the autism spectrum, the lecture also brought to attention the fact that there's still a lot to be discovered in order to fully understand and cater to students with ASD.
It is the most important thing they can learn, because they're going to be providing educational services to very challenging children. And the more tools they have, the more resources they have, the more effective they'll be and the better outcome for these children.
Taylor Pollock, Troy, TrojanVision News.